In this quick exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do abdominal heel touches. So firstly, to start off this exercise, you're going to be laying on your back. I've got a mat here for comfort, but that is optional. You're going to have your knees bent and your feet on the floor. So that looks like this. So I've got my feet just wider than hip width apart. My knees are bent. I come all the way back into a position where my hands are either side of my body. My hands and my arms are nice and straight. And then what I'm going to do firstly is I'm going to crunch up. I hold that position. Notice how my hands have come off the floor. And what I'm going to do in this position, keeping that crunch, is I'm going to reach towards one heel, back to the center, reach towards the next heel, back to the center, and I'm always staying in that crunch. At no point during this motion do I come out of the crunch for any of the repetitions. What you want to make sure is when you come to the center, make sure you're still in that crunch because the body has a tendency to come slightly out of it. So try to think, right, I'm in the crunch, I come towards a position where I'm going to bring my hand in contact with the heel, back to the center. Am I still in that full crunch? If yes, go for the next side. And of course, you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. So each time you touch one hand to the heel, that's one repetition, and repeat as desired. That's how to do an abdominal heel touch.